Creating a successful faceless YouTube channel may initially seem daunting, especially if you believe personal branding and audience connection depends solely on showing your face. However, the truth is that faceless YouTube channels work and represent some of the most profitable and scalable ways to earn on the platform. In this guide, we'll lead you through the essentials of building a faceless YouTube channel and how to monetize it, primarily through ads and affiliate marketing. We'll also delve into unconventional perspectives to encourage you to think innovatively and gain a competitive advantage. Faceless YouTube channels succeed because they are often scalable and can be automated to a higher degree than traditional content that relies on the creator's personality. Many assume viewers watch YouTube to feel connected to a person on screen, but this isn't always the case. There are entire content niches where the creator's personality is less important than the value of the information, the entertainment factor, or the aesthetic experience. For example, niche channels on finance, health tips, travel, technology, and even simple how-to videos are often more about the subject than the person presenting it. One prevalent misconception is that faceless channels are only suitable for specific niches. The reality is that almost any niche can thrive without the creator's face, opening up a world of creative possibilities. Even vlogs can be reimagined through cinematic storytelling, footage compilations, or animation. Finding a format that aligns with your niche and resonates with your audience is critical. This will allow you to experiment and find your unique style, sparking your creativity and imagination. The first step in creating a faceless YouTube channel is choosing the right niche. A mistake many beginners make is diving into a broad or overly saturated niche without a clear plan. Instead, it's better to focus on a niche that can be scaled but is specific enough to target a dedicated audience. Consider your interests, the potential for growth, and the audience's needs when selecting a niche. Faceless content works well in niches like education and tutorials. Channels that teach skills such as software tutorials, DIY projects, or coding can thrive without ever showing the creator's face. The focus is on the information and how clearly it's delivered. Finance and business. Explaining financial concepts, stock market updates, or passive income ideas is a popular faceless niche, with channels that use visual aids, charts, and animations to explain complex ideas. Travel and adventure. You don't need to be in front of the camera to show beautiful destinations. Instead, you can narrate clips of your travels or even use stock footage with storytelling. Relaxing aesthetic content. Content like ASMR, ambient noise videos, and aesthetic compilations don't require a face. These channels often rely on high-quality visuals or soundscapes to create a calming atmosphere for viewers. Compilation channels. Whether it's top 10 lists, news commentary, or reactions, faceless channels can curate content to engage audiences without needing a physical presence. Here's a contrarian take. Don't manually choose a niche because it's trending. While jumping on popular trends might bring in quick views, you'll likely enter an oversaturated market. Instead, explore underserved niche markets, such as sustainable living tips or local history storytelling. Being unique or counterintuitive can help you stand out and build a loyal audience. One of the most significant challenges with faceless videos is maintaining audience retention. When viewers cannot connect with a physical presence, the focus shifts to other video elements, such as storytelling, visuals, or sound. The success of faceless channels hinges on maintaining high-quality production and engaging content from start to finish, emphasizing the need for excellence in your work. Consider strategies to sustain audience engagement in faceless videos to overcome this challenge. Here are some methods to keep viewers engaged. Strong storytelling. Just because you're not showing your face doesn't mean you shouldn't have a personal touch. Tell stories or case studies related to the topic if you're engaging in educational content. Viewers love narratives. A well-told story can keep them watching longer, making them feel engaged and connected to your content. Compelling visuals. High-quality visuals are crucial. This could mean using relevant stock footage, animations, or screen recordings. If you're conveying a concept, visual aids like charts, diagrams, and animations can significantly enhance the viewer's experience, making them feel captivated and immersed in your content. Dynamic editing. Keep the video moving with quick cuts, transitions, and occasional text on screen. Even though your face isn't on screen, you can make the video visually stimulating with on-screen graphics, images, or highlighted points. Professional audio. Poor audio quality will turn viewers away faster than anything else. Invest in a decent microphone and ensure your voiceovers are clear and professional. If you're using AI voiceovers, opt for high-quality options that are not robotic. Contrary to popular belief, not all faceless videos need to be short. Many creators feel pressured to produce short, snappy videos because of the rise of TikTok and YouTube Shorts. However, long-form content can work incredibly well for faceless channels, mainly when covering complex subjects. Longer videos also increase session and watch time, two key metrics that YouTube rewards. Session time is the total time a viewer spends on your channel, while watch time is the total time a viewer spends watching your videos. These metrics are crucial for YouTube's algorithm and can help your videos rank higher in search results. Once your channel gains traction, monetizing it is the next step. For beginners, ads and affiliate marketing are the most straightforward ways to generate revenue from faceless videos. Once you hit the eligibility threshold, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and earn ad revenue. While ad revenue is influenced by factors like your niche and audience location, faceless videos can perform just as well, if not better, than personality-driven channels. Niches like finance, tech, and education tend to attract higher CPMs, meaning you'll pay more per ad view than in lower-earning niches like vlogging or entertainment. Contrarian view: don't rely too heavily on ad revenue. Although YouTube ads can be a significant source of income, they're volatile. Changes in YouTube's ad policies or shifts in the advertising market can lead to sudden drops in revenue. Instead, consider ads as a secondary income source while focusing on other monetization methods. Affiliate marketing can be one of the most lucrative ways to monetize a faceless YouTube channel, especially if you're in a niche where viewers are actively looking for product recommendations. Here's how it works. You promote products or services in your video, and when viewers click your affiliate link and purchase, you earn a commission. For example, if you have a tech review channel, you can add affiliate links to the products you review in the video description. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank make finding affiliate products for virtually any niche easy. The contrarian angle is that you don't need to review physical products to make affiliate sales. Many creators think they must be in a niche like tech, fitness, or beauty to succeed with affiliate marketing. In reality, you can promote digital products, software, or services. For example, if you're a faceless channel in the finance niche, you could encourage investment apps, online courses, or personal finance software, products that pay higher commissions than physical products. To maximize your affiliate marketing efforts, consider building a sales funnel. Instead of linking to affiliate products directly, drive viewers to a landing page where you capture their email addresses. This allows you to follow up with email sequences promoting affiliate offers, which increases the chances of a sale. Having an email list is a potent asset, and it allows you to build a long-term relationship with your audience, even if YouTube's algorithm changes. You need to optimize your videos for search and click-through rate to grow your faceless YouTube channel and increase views and subscribers. Start by researching keywords in your niche and using tools like TubeMagic, TubeBuddy, or VidIQ to find high-volume, low-competition keywords. These keywords should be strategically placed in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Your thumbnails are also critical. Since you're showing your face, your thumbnails need to be eye-catching and convey the value of the video in a single glance. Use bold text, bright colors, and relevant images to increase your CTR. A higher CTR will help your videos rank better in YouTube's algorithm, which means more views. Lastly, focus on consistency. A common mistake beginners make is giving up too soon. Faceless YouTube channels take time to grow, but once you build momentum, the rewards are immense. Posting consistently, at least once a week, helps keep your channel active and signals to YouTube that you're a reliable content creator. Building a faceless YouTube channel is one of the best ways to create passive income and scale your online business. By focusing on niche-specific content, utilizing affiliate marketing, and optimizing your videos for retention and CTR, you can grow a channel that generates significant revenue, even if you never appear on camera. Remember, faceless content isn't a limitation. It's an opportunity to create a scalable, automated business that works for you day and night. Start small, be consistent, and most importantly, think outside the box, especially when the conventional wisdom suggests otherwise.